Alright, 2012 Hyundai Elantra. We just replaced the catalytic converters because they were stolen off the car, and then a couple weeks later they tried to break in again and break the door handle open and pull the lock out. So I'm going to show you how to change the lock real quick. First step is there's a little plug right here in the door, so you pop the plug out, and then right inside you'll see the 10 millimeter bolt. Unscrew the bolt, and when you're doing that, use a pencil magnet or something similar, because if you drop that bolt, it goes in the bottom of the door and you're going to spend the rest of the afternoon trying to fish that out of there. So once you get the bolt out, this part here with the lock in it, it just pulls right out real easy. And then the handle part here, you have to open it and then slide the whole thing back and it pulls out. So to put the new one in, put the handle in first, put it in, slide it forward, put the lock in, put the bolt back in it. And again, I'd use that magnet too when you're putting it in there, or put something to hold the bolt in your socket to prevent it from falling. Put the plug back in it and you're done. Simple job, shouldn't take more than a couple minutes.